it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you an update on these box braids. I've had these for about 2 weeks now, and yo, it's been a journey. It's just been a journey. So I'm gonna be real with you. If you do enjoy this video, give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, why haven't you? Simply click the subscribe button and join the Yolz channel family for more of these hair videos, more lifestyle vlogs. You know how it goes, Moose. You know the drill. So just click subscribe. I love you guys so much and I hope you enjoy.
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
My feelings towards the braids are that I think I shouldn't have gone for the style. The style was great for the gram, but the style was not great for real life, y'all. Why I say that? Because I think they're just huge. Can you see this? Like this chunk. And obviously I'm a natural. I don't want my edges to be, you know, tugged in. So there was no tugging of the edges, and now it just looks odd. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be real with you. That's how it looks right now. And I just feel like it was my fault. It's not necessarily Khomutsa's fault who did my hair. I think it was me thinking this would be a bomb ass style. Yes, it was bomb, but only for the gram and only for a few pictures. Now I'm even like conscious of how I take pictures, but that's just overall on the style aspect. The hair, I used expressions, right? So I don't like this. It wasn't neat. Khomutsa did try her best to check out, you know, where there were snags, so to call it. So we put the braids in water and I feel like it all looks sleek, but then after a while the wear and tear of it, in a sense, like sleeping, waking up, obviously friction and all of that, you start seeing things like that. Yeah, it's a bit nasty, you know. And yes, you have to only see it when you really get close to me. But I'm conscious about it because, one, I don't protective style very often, and now that I do have a protective style, I don't want people to be in my hair, in a sense, like looking in there. But yeah, I find myself looking at some of these things and I'm like, yeah. But that's just aesthetically, you know, so I am complaining on that. In terms of maintaining the hair, wow, it has been a little bit of an adventure. And I definitely think I do have build up because I haven't been washing my hair. What I've been doing is spritzing shampoo once or twice a week, and then to maintain it every single day, I literally live on this spritz, and I'll talk about the ingredients in here in a few. But I do want to mention that this is not the ideal way of maintaining braids. I feel like the size is limiting me in the way that I would generally maintain them. If they were smaller, I'd just jump into the shower. But right now, I feel like they're so big, my hair is actually like prone to just coming out. So in the middle especially, I don't know how much you can see. I don't want to get in there too deep. But I just feel like the size is limiting me in the way that I want to wash it. I'm scared of jumping into the shower and just shampooing it normally. I feel like it's just gonna tug on my hair, and then my hair is just gonna, you know, sort of come out of the braids, the roots especially, and it will look rough. So I don't want that. What I've been doing is literally adding water and shampoo just like this, spritzing it on my hair, and then just making sure to clean it like that. To moisturize, I've been adding this deep penetrating moisturizing conditioner by Afro Botanics, and then mixing that with my Afro Botanics Black Pearl African Oil blend. So yeah, I mixed that with a lot of water because I want it very, very weak in a sense. I spritz that all over my hair and go about my day, and I just rub it in, and that's it really. That's how I maintain my hair. Super easy. So the other thing is we had to use a different fiber. Khomutsa got Darling. She wanted to try Darling on top here. We had to redo some of the braids where we found like I wasn't too happy about them, so we went back. So this is Darling hair over here. I'm not sure if you can see the difference. And then this is Expressions. So I can see the difference. I don't know if you can tell. These are more closer to our hair, which I think we should have done from the get-go. Getting fiber that's sort of closer to natural hair in a sense, that's like more textured. versus getting hair that's gonna go into water, because both of them went into water. But after that, you know, you want the one that's gonna look closest to like your texture, which it won't look like coils, but if it's got a bit of a rough texture, it kind of works. So this worked better for me personally. I like it better. I feel like next time if I'm doing braids, I'm definitely going to go for Darling versus Expressions. I think Darling definitely has a better texture. As for the color, for those who want to know, we actually added a bit of purple in there, which I loved, which you can only also see when you get closer. And if you do want to watch how I got my braids done, you are most welcome to click over here and basically catch up. Otherwise, that is it from me, honeys. I hope you did enjoy this video. Give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.